Are you ready to transform your truck into the ultimate powerhouse of versatility and style? In today's video, we unveil the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers that will revolutionize how you protect and access your cargo. Discover innovative designs that offer unbeatable durability, security, and convenience, perfect for any adventure or workday. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a hard-working contractor, or someone who just loves the open road, there's a cover here tailored just for you. You'll gain exclusive insights into the top-rated options on the market, complete with real-world tests and jaw-dropping features. Don't miss out. Hit that play button and let's dive in. Because your perfect truck bed solution is just a video away. Number 7. Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the perfect companion for your 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.5 feet bed. This best roll-up truck bed tonneau cover combines functionality with convenience. Featuring a hassle-free installation process thanks to no drill clamps and the included mounting hardware. The water-repellent design, driven by arch crossbars, ensures that rainwater flows off, preventing accumulation and potential damage. Constructed from durable double-layer PVC, this cover is designed to withstand tears and abrasion, promising long-lasting performance. The sturdy aluminum framework and stainless steel clamps create a secure seal, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, the innovative tension and latch system keeps the cover taut, avoiding wrinkles and folds while providing all-around protection against the elements. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with the Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, an essential for any Maverick owner seeking quality and reliability. Number 6. Tonneau Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to enhance their Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon 2015 to 2025 with style and functionality. Designed specifically for the 5.2-foot bed, its precise fit ensures compatibility and ease of use. Installation is a breeze. You can have it ready in just 20 minutes. No tools or drilling required. Safety is paramount, as this cover features a secure latch lock and adjustable tension system to keep it tightly closed, protecting your cargo from the elements. Crafted from premium double-layer PVC and solid alloy materials, it combines durability and strength to withstand any weather conditions, whether rain, snow, or intense heat. This cover ensures all-season protection thanks to its tear-resistant and water-resistant design. The Tonneau Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover isn't just a smart purchase. It's a stylish upgrade for your truck that gives you peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers, this product undoubtedly stands out. Number 5. X-Cover Soft Locking Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a game-changer for F-150 and F-150 Lightning owners with a 5.6-foot bed. Perfectly fitting models from 2015 to 2025. This innovative cover stands out as one of the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers, featuring several patented designs that enhance its functionality. The top-mount style allows water runoff and minimizes bed space intrusion, while the unique built-in crossbars provide an elegant appearance and allow for full access to your truck bed when rolling up. Installation is a breeze with a no-drill. Direct clamp-on design, it takes less than 20 minutes. Made from durable vinyl, this tonneau cover ensures your cargo stays protected and secure with its locking tailgate feature. If you want to elevate your truck's practicality and style, the X-Cover Soft Locking Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a must-have accessory that seamlessly combines innovation with functionality. Number 4. MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate companion for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Specifically crafted for models from 2014 to 2019 with a 6 feet 7 inches bed. It features a dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl material, ensuring durability and resistance against harsh weather conditions. The patented design incorporates built-in horizontal crossbars, providing excellent support and easy access to your truck bed when rolled up. It's equipped with aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and a secure latch lock system, making installation a breeze with no drilling required. Plus, the adjustable tension system keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free, enhancing its sleek appearance. With a 10-year, no-hassle warranty for U.S. customers, you can trust its quality. For anyone seeking the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers, the MaxMate Soft Roll-Up is a top choice. Whether you're hauling gear or simply want to protect your cargo, this tonneau cover combines style, functionality, and unbeatable value. Number 3. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This top-notch cover is designed specifically for 2019 to 2024 Chevy and GMC Silverado/Sierra models with a 5 feet 10 inches bed, including multi-pro/flex tailgates. Made in the USA from high-quality leather grain textured vinyl. This tonneau cover not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also offers unmatched protection for your cargo. Installation is a breeze with its fast and easy clamp-on system, no drilling required. You'll enjoy 100% truck bed access, allowing you to roll the cover towards the cab and secure it with a handy storage strap when needed. Plus, the Gator ETX is backed by a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. Elevate your truck's utility and appearance with the Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The best choice among roll-up truck bed tonneau covers. Don't miss out on this essential upgrade for your vehicle. Number 2. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 and 2022 to 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning owners with a 5.5-foot, 67-inch bed. This cover stands out with its U.S. patented design, featuring dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl that ensures durability and protection against extreme weather. Equipped with built-in horizontal crossbars, it offers excellent support when laid flat and allows for full bed access when rolled up. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to the inclusive mounting hardware and instructions. The secure Velcro strip and latch lock system keep your cargo safe, while the adjustable tension system ensures a tight, wrinkle-free fit. Plus, with aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps, you can trust its robust construction. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, this makes it a worthy investment in the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers category. Upgrade your truck's functionality with the Tiger Auto T1. Number 1. Rough Country Hard Roll-Up Bed Cover for Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1-500-2019-2025 is the ultimate solution for those seeking the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers. With its flush, low-profile design, this cover enhances the aesthetic of your truck. Thanks to its sleek matte black finish and durable aluminum slats that create a seamless, streamlined appearance. Need quick access to your gear? The convenient roll-up design allows for fast, full access to your truck bed, effortlessly unlocking with a simple cable pull and featuring an auto-latching system to secure it back in place. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the rugged aluminum frame is power-coated to resist corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. Plus, the easy no-drill installation means you can skip the complicated setups. Just mount it using the track and rail system for a perfect fit. Backed by a solid 5-year warranty, Rough Country stands behind its products, giving you the confidence that your cargo will stay protected on any adventure. In conclusion, choosing the right roll-up truck bed tonneau cover can enhance your truck's functionality and style while protecting your cargo. Whether you prioritize ease of use, durability, or sleek design, there's an option out there for you. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content. Your support makes all the difference.